This is fine, but there's another type that's a lot easier than this. It's going to be a whole lot more convenient. This is the tool holder. You can swap these out, so you get a bit mounted into the tool holder and then swap them out and set the height, and much more convenient it seems it's going to be. So I think I've made a huge upgrade. I took this apart. I took the T-nut out. That's this thing. And now I want to mount the new quick change tool post here. It has a block that's way bigger than all of this that I'm supposed to machine into this shape. But I had an idea. Just in the interest of time and saving this piece for maybe a better lathe in the future, like, you know, this is a custom deal here, right? I'm gonna adapt this one. See, here's the post that threads down into that block. That is a 5/8 of an inch fine thread, and that's a lot smaller than the old post. So I checked into what this size was, and it's actually a 3/4 of an inch thread. So I found a thread insert. This is normally for repairing threads, kind of like case savers on our VW cases. I did grind it down a little bit, but check this out. It slides right down into that T-nut, and this post goes right down into it. I think this is gonna work for me. Now what I've noticed is I need to do a little bit of cleanup on top of the T-nut. There's a little bit of an edge raised there from some damage. So I'm gonna flatten that down, then we'll see if we can bolt all this stuff together and take our little tool post for a trial run. Since this is a repair insert, it arrived with thread locker all around the outside. So I wire brushed all that off. I'd like this to be easy to get out of here if I want to put the old tool post back together again. So I'm just going to use some whey oil. Everything gets covered in whey oil on a lathe. So that should do the trick. I might throw a little bit down in here too. I did my grinding right. This will go just below the top. So I think we're there.
Click this video to see us fix an old VW boring bar during the Hard Times engine building series. We're going to build it and go. We'll see you there.